Today we're going to be doing a slime review of this Walking Dinos really cool slime that I got from Toymate in Warrawong. So first of all, I'm opening it up. It's pretty big. It's a butter slime. It came with this cute little like Triceratops dinosaur, and this is like a really cool mint green colour. It is very pretty, and I don't know if you can see, but if you can see little like glitters throughout in the slime, it's so cute. And obviously, guys, it's a really butter slime. It doesn't deflate that. It's like not deflated. It's very not very like it makes good bubble pops, but it is not very ASMR-y. But anyway, guys, I'll let you enjoy some of the ASMR. Guys, I'm sorry if it's not centered in the middle. I apologize. Oh yeah, I really apologize. The camera was really hard to get this shot. I was trying so hard, guys. It's so hard to center the camera when I don't have the. I use my iPad to film this, so like it's very good anyway.